Hello everyone. Now today we are going to learn about importance of universal law of gravitation. So these are the importance of universal law of gravitation. So gravitational number one is the gravitational force of attraction of Earth is responsible for binding all terrestrial objects on the Earth. Means terrestrial objects binds by gravitational force. Terrestrial objects means objects on the surface of Earth are terrestrial objects. And number two is the gravitational force of the Earth is responsible for holding the atmosphere around the Earth. That means atmosphere is held by gravitational force. Number 3 point is the gravitational force of the Earth is responsible for the rainfall and snowfall on the Earth. So rainfall occurs due to gravitational force and snowfalls also occur due to the gravitational force on Earth. The next point is the flow of water in a river is also due to a gravitational force of the Earth on water. So water flows due to the gravitational force. Flow of water is also due to the gravitational force. And next point is the moon revolves around the Earth. Moons revolve around the Earth on the account of gravitational pull of the Earth on the moon. Similarly, artificial satellites revolve around the Earth on the account of gravitational pull of the Earth on the moon. So these are the 5 points. Now next point is number 6 point. Number 6 point. All the planets, number 6. All the planets revolve around the sun due to gravitational pull of the sun on the planet. All the planets revolve around the sun. All the planets revolve around the sun due to gravitational pull. Gravitational pull of the sun. Gravitational pull of the sun on the planet. Thus gravitational force is responsible. Force alone is responsible for holding our solar system. Okay. All the planets revolve around the sun due to the gravitational pull of the sun on the planet. Thus, the gravitational force alone is responsible for holding solar system. So, solar system is held by gravitational force, gravitational pull. So, next point is number 7. The tide formed tide formed, tide, T-I-D, tide, tides, T-I-D-S, tides formed by the rising and falling of water level in ocean are due to the gravitational force, gravitational force of attraction which the sun and the moon exert on seawater. Okay, tide formed due to the gravitational force of attraction between the sun and the moon. Tide formed due to the gravitational force of attraction between the sun and the moon on seawater. So tide formed is due to the gravitational force. So tide is also formed due to a gravitational force. Okay. Now point number 8. Point number 8 is the predictions about solar and lunar eclipse made on the basis of this law always come out to be true. Okay, now last point is the prediction about solar and lunar eclipse made on the basis of this law means which law? Newton's law of gravitation, universal law of gravitation. Prediction of solar eclipse and lunar eclipse is based on the universal law of gravitation. So these are the importance of universal law of gravitation. In next class we will start gravitational force between light objects and heavy objects.